So the first thing I did was to identify the progression. 1, 4, 1, 5. That's the first thing I did, progression. And then I play along with the beat, okay? 1, 4, 1, 5. Then do, okay, I did do, fa, do, so, and then I did do, mi, fa, do, mi, so, do, mi, fa, do, mi, so. Then you add another note. Do, mi, re, fa, do, mi, re, so, do, mi, re, fa, do, mi, re, so. Then you just keep adding notes. Do, mi, do, re, fa, do, mi, do, re, so. Then you add more notes, okay? Do, mi, do, re, do, fa, do, mi, do, re, re, so, do, mi, do, re, do, fa, do, mi, do, re, re, so. Then I add so. So, so, do, mi, do, re, do, fa. So, so, do, mi, do, re, re, so. So, so, do, mi, do, re, do, fa. So, so, do, mi, do, re, re, so. We're about to build another groove, okay? Let's build this groove. The first one I did was do, mi, so, fa, la, do, mi, so, ti, re, okay? Then you just add more notes. So, do, mi, so, fa, la, do, so, do, mi, so, ti, re, okay? And then I added the same thing to the other progressions as well. So, do, mi, so, do, fa, la, do. So, do, mi, so, re, re, so, ti, re. So, do, mi, so. And the last one I did was this. Do, so, okay? Do, so, fa, do, so, do, so, so, re, re, do, so, fa, do,